Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name's Alicia if you're new here, and I share beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and if you're not new then welcome back. For today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this super quick and easy waterproof summertime makeup look, so if y'all want to see how I got it then just keep watching. It has been super hot here in Tennessee lately, but I'm not complaining because I love the hot weather. Summer is my favorite, but that means sweating. So that's another reason I wanted to do this waterproof makeup look, just in case it has been super hot where you live. Plus, if you want to wear just a little bit when you go to the pool, lake, beach, whatever, this is going to be a great option for that. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to wear a lot of makeup during the summer because number one, it usually melts off, and number two, if I am going to be near the water, then I like to go all the way under, get my head wet and everything, and I don't want to have to worry about my makeup running or wiping it off or anything like that. So this is going to be very minimal makeup, and it is all going to be waterproof. I think I've already said that. But for the face, you have two options. Well, obviously there's going to be more options, but I am going to show y'all two options that you can do. Number one, you can just use sunscreen, which hopefully you're using sunscreen no matter what, but this is my favorite if I'm not going to wear any type of foundation or tinted moisturizer. It is by Supergoop, and it is the Glow Screen, and it is an SPF 40, and it has a kind of sheen to it, so it looks very luminous, which I love. So I'm going to apply that. So not only do you have your SPF, but it also gives your face a luminous glow, so it looks like you have, well, you do have something on your skin, but it is not just bare, if that makes any sense at all. See how pretty that is? It just gives your skin a beautiful glow. So if you don't want to have to worry about foundation or anything like that, you can just do this. So if you want to do a foundation, I really like this one by Tarte. It is from their C collection, and it is their Hydro Flex Serum Foundation. So this is waterproof, but it's also really lightweight. Oh, I don't think I liked this brush. Y'all see my summer earrings? Since I'm doing a summer makeup look, I wanted to look the part. I was thinking I didn't like this brush, but it's not bad, because whenever this first came out, I actually did a review / first impressions on it. So I will link that video down below in the description box if y'all want to check it out next. I give a full in-depth review on it. So here is what it looks like. Very light coverage, which that's what it's supposed to have. It just kind of evens everything out, gives your face a little bit of color if it's lighter from using sunscreen, which mine is, and it is very lightweight. I don't feel like there's anything on my skin at all, which I love, and that is one thing I look for in any type of base. And now we are going to cover up these dark circles, and I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Ultra Creamy. And I'm not going to do as much as I normally would, since this is just a really quick and natural look, and Shape Tape is waterproof. So normally I don't wear foundation if I'm going to the pool or something. I do wear my concealer because it just makes me feel better, and then I'll kind of just bring it down because my cheeks get a little red, if y'all notice that. So I will kind of just bring down the extra product on my cheeks, and then I usually put it around my nose too because that's where I get red. But I did want to show y'all that foundation if you did like to wear something. So now I'm going to set everything with a powder, and normally I just use a translucent one. Lately I've been using this one by Lawless Beauty, but for the summer I love this one also by Tarte. This pulls up and comes with a lid, so it's perfect for traveling. But I love this because it has an SPF of 30, so when you take it with you, you can use it for touch-ups, or if you already did your foundation and you forgot to put sunscreen on, then you can use this as your setting powder and it will give you your sun protection. And since it is a powder, you can also use it on your part and it doubles as dry shampoo. So a lot of times if I don't wear a hat, I will forget to put sunscreen on my head and my part will get burnt. So you can just dust this in and it will also absorb the sweat and oil throughout the day. So I always like to add just a little bit of something to my brows, once again using waterproof products. The one I really love, another Tarte product, is the Sketch and Set brow pencil. It has a really skinny pencil and then it has a tinted brow gel on the other side. Both are waterproof, but I'm currently out of my shade and I've been going between two different products. I love this brow pen by Milani, and then I love this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil, but neither one of these are waterproof, so yet another Tarte product. I also really like this DIY brow detailing pen. It looks like this. So I love pens when I'm not doing a lot of makeup because it makes your brows look microbladed and very natural and not drawn on. So I do just a little bit. I don't completely fill them in since I don't have a lot of makeup. I don't like to have full penciled in brows with hardly any makeup on. So I just do the front. And I just do hair-like strokes. And then I kind of have a sparse area here in my arch. And I'll just keep doing those hair-like strokes. So then I kind of fill in my arch a little bit too. And bam! That is all I do for my brows. So I'm going to do the other side. So see, super quick and easy with the brows. I don't spend a lot of time on them. And then the last step that I personally do is add mascara and then I'm good to go. And I just got the new Maneater waterproof. If you have been following me for a while, you know that Maneater mascara by Tarte is my absolute favorite. Well, they just came out with a waterproof version. Perfect for summer. So that is what I'm going to be using all summer. But if you did want to add a little bit of eyeshadow, I know everybody is different. That's why I wanted to show you different steps that you can take and then also tell you steps that you can skip. Like if you don't want to fill your brows in, obviously you don't have to. But if y'all watched my Amazon tutorial, I talked about these eyeshadow sticks and I did not mention that they were waterproof. I honestly don't know that I knew that at the time, but I definitely believe it because it was so hard to get off my hand after I swatched. So if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of eyeshadow and I will add some just so y'all can see. And I'm just going to add some to my lid. I love this gold color. But it came, if you missed that video, it came in a set of 6. And I think this was like $20. So it gives your eyes just a little bit of something. And the good thing about these is it has a brush on the other side. So that's what I'm going to use just to blend out the edges. And then it does blend out if you want to use just a normal, one of your normal eyeshadow brushes too. So there's some eyeshadow, and now I'm going to add my Maneater mascara that is waterproof. So I'm sure there are a ton of waterproof lip options, but to be honest, I don't really care if my lips are waterproof because I usually just use some type of lip balm. And this Maracuja Juicy Lip also by Tarte, is my absolute most favorite lip balm ever. It is so moisturizing. It is not sticky at all. It has just a hint of color, and you just click it to get more product. And this is the shade Rose, which is my favorite. It just has a hint of color. It is very hydrating. It is very natural looking and perfect for summer. So here is the completed waterproof summertime makeup look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I will link all the products that I use down below in the description box, and let me know in the comments what your go-to summer product is. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video.